Look how huge a hole had I dig for this find. It looks pretty ancient.
О,
Wow. I can't believe. Yeah, whoa, yes. Hello, friends. People say that this road takes you to a very interesting place. Look at that. That is my plan for today. What does it say? Enemies? Russian troops? There was a battle fought here somewhere in 1812, so I'm hoping for some cool finds. It's another 5 miles away. Yet, how many roads there are here? And no sign of where to go. I hope I made the right turn, or we'll never find the treasure. Oh no. Before I got there, it started raining. Today I'm not going to search as usual, cause I've got a plan. There is a forest around me now, but once it was a field. I know that field, there was a battle. They say over 5,000 soldiers died. It was in 1812, during the war with Napoleon. I was here yesterday with my dad, and we were even lucky enough to find something.
так, ну-ка давай. Мастер-класс. Не в ямке, а над ямкой. Я уже выкопал его.
Я вижу, куча.
Вот тут он.
Вот где-то, где тут, ага, тут где-то. Ну тут тоже.
Нет, тут нету. Тут нет, мы сейчас проверим, что это. Ну-ка, убери-ка прибор. Мы сейчас посмотрим. Что у нас тут может быть? О, жужжит. Вот смотри, что мы нашли. Внимательно. Мы нашли монету. Между прочим. Это у нас похоже на баратинку. Но сам факт, что на лесной глухой дороге мы нашли баратинку, кое о чем-то говорит. Проводить надо ниже, вплотную к земле, чтобы глубину не терять. Вплотную, 3. Защита стоит специально для этого. О, чувствуешь разницу? Что-то есть? Так ты, знаешь, новичкам надо копать все сигналы абсолютно, чтобы понять вообще, что как звучит. Скорее всего, железо. Но проверить есть смысл. Ты лопату поставил близко и ей себе портишь.
Мимо. Ну так.
Во, осколок ядра у нас выпал. Смотрите, какой, а.
Да.
Прилетел. Тут было
точно.
сражение
Это ж
наполеоновское.
не труба.
Because it's the woods, I brought a knife, like this, to make it easier to dig among the roots. Just a gate away from the car, there is a signal. And one more, and here. And look what fell out. Something round, but it's broken. This part is copper. It's probably some kind of military stuff. I'll dig here on this road and near all the signals, because there were no people living here before. But there was a battle, and it's not clear where to look exactly. By the way, I've got a signal here. Could be something modern, but it could be something old. Who knows? Let's see. I seldom dig iron, except when I'm scouting, when I'm not sure about a place. To understand whether people lived here or not, or only plowed, or no one was here at all. You need to check all the signals. Well, what is it this time? A piece of tin plate of some kind. I don't think it's anything ancient. I'll put it on the curb here. Through the iron, burn the hole, and moving on. I turned onto some really old road, and here I got a signal. I usually don't dig that kind of signal, because it sounds like tinfoil. Oh, there are so many ants here, and there are a huge anthill over there. Oh, I'm really surprised, my friends. Well, that signal was a coin. Wow. How it can be? Yeah, something round. Let's see. What is it? Oh, quite unexpected. It's a 15 Soviet. 15 kopecks. An old type of coin. 1940, wow. Look how huge a hole had I dig for this find. It's a large antique bookshop. Well, that's something. That's not a bad result. This looks like a sign of a battle. Here is another iron signal. It's hard to tell what is exactly. But it doesn't look like anything vintage. I made a big circle through the woods and came back to the clearing where my car is parked. And here is a signal. I got something interesting. Here is it. Huh. I was sure it was a cork or some kind of pull tab, but isn't. Wow. What is it? Just look. Oh, look how it's beautiful. It's definitely not a modern stuff. I can't recognize what is exactly it. But it's interesting. Maybe you know? Tell me if you know. Wow. What is it? I think it's pregnant. But where did I get into this star? Next to it was the exact same thing, only deeper. And I think it's obviously not an accident. Interesting. A good copper signal. Let's check it. However, there are few signals generally. I wonder what is it. Oh, look, my friends, a silver rebel. No wonder the signal was so good. Well, there is definitely someone living here. You can see the two exits, main and second. Someone big. There are no bones, but there is a lot of footprints. Most likely a fox. How to understand where was the battle? I'm looking for 2 hours and walked a few kilometers. And nothing. That's unclear. Yeah, I guess couldn't get through there. Just look at that mushrooms, my friends. Wow, a lot of big mushrooms. But what's kind of mushroom? Do you know? Can I eat this? Smells good. Next iron find. Not what I'm looking for. I've decided to move to a new place. Hopefully there will be more finds here. There was a village and there was an old part of it. There are still living people. The signal was so-so, but I've decided to check it, as always. Oh. It's something green. Looks old. Yeah. Oh. Wow. My friends. I can't believe. Yeah. Whoa. Yes. What a good find, my friends. It's an old coin. Yeah, it's a silver. My friends, my gosh. Wow. I love such a coins. I should have looked here from the start. Yeah? Look, how many broken bricks there are in that fire break. I got a good signal. Right there. And it's a lot more fun to look here than in the woods. There are a lot of different signals. There is something slightly deeper in the hole. Do you hear? With this? Yeah. Some brass fragment. The next find is a power arm clip. Too bad it's empty. There are apple trees, plum trees, and underneath them, look, a skull. I wonder, is it a ring or some kind of horse harness? Most likely to be a ring. Look how it fits to my finger. I went back to the road because it's hard to search in the grass. And look what I found. Oh, it's something interesting. I wonder what is it. Wow. I cleaned it up a little bit and look what a beauty. I don't know exactly what it is, but wow, I see a number 39 inside. This is the first time I've seen it. If any of you know what it is, please write it down. Look how thick the old pottery is. I wonder what was stored in this pot. Yeah, the place is interesting, but unfortunately I have to go. This is 200 miles from home. I have to come back here again. And here are our finds. This time a rather unusual set. The reason is that the search was in a place I was unfamiliar with. without exact coordinates. As usual, there are fewer old finds than modern ones. This looks like a collection of finds from 3 different wars: bullets, backshots, 5-round clip. That's how they were put in there. It's a shard of French cannonball, I'm sure. Or maybe Russian. It could be classified as a Napoleonic war find. A lot of related finds. But who knows what it is? What time his find is? The material is like an aluminum metal. This is most likely a ring, but who knows? And here are 2 identical finds that were lying almost in the same place in the woods. After cleaning, you can see that it's copper, a red color. I don't know what time period this thing is from. If any of you have found something similar, please post it in the comments. And we got 2 coins. First one is a 15 of the former USSR, 1940, and this silver, 1.5 grosch of 1923. At that time, only the last 2 digits in the date on the coin were written. Coin of Sigismund Vasa of Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth. I love to find such coins. I will definitely go to that place again, because it seems that if you try hard enough, you can find something much more interesting there. Your support is extremely important for my channel and for the quality of the videos I produce. I'm very grateful for any kind of support, from simple likes and comments and helping solve riddles to sponsorship on Patreon or directly on YouTube. Thank you!